What's good, family and friends? It's your boy JLucasnutrition. I'm so excited. I'm working on publishing my first book, which will be titled Simple, Delicious, Nutritious Hip-Hop Recipe Book for Health and Fitness. I'm asking for your help to help fund the launch of this project. Please donate $25, $50, or $100 by clicking on the crowdfund link in this post. You'll receive 1 month of free access to my JLucasnutrition app, where you can follow the Rapper's Delight meal plan, which contains 21 recipes of the Hip-Hop Recipe Book that I'll be coming out with soon. Check it out, stay tuned, and also swipe to see a little bit of this concept. I appreciate the support, and see you soon. Peace. What's good? It's your boy JLucasnutrition, here to make my favorite meal of the day, breakfast. We have the Unforgettable French Montana French toast, a simple, delicious, nutritious meal that's tasty that you can enjoy without the guilt. This meal will be prepared with 2 large slices of white bread, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of sweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 ounce of French vanilla Ciroc, 1/4 cup of blackberries, 1/4 cup of blueberries, and 1/4 cup of strawberries. And there you have it. Let's get started. First, we'll take our eggs and add it to the bowl. Next, we'll add 1 cup of our vanilla almond milk. Next, we'll add 1 ounce of French vanilla Ciroc. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now, we'll mix all the ingredients together, add our slices of bread, and let it soak for approximately 3 minutes. We'll heat our pan over medium heat and add a non-stick spray. Cook each side of your French toast for approximately 2 minutes. Be careful not to let it burn. Now we're going to prepare our garnish. Add your berries, add 2 ounces of your vanilla Ciroc, plate your French toast, and add your Cool Whip on top. Put your fruit on top to make the garnish, and sprinkle with a little bit of coconut flakes. And there we have it, the Unforgettable French Montana French toast. Simple, delicious, nutritious.